Hello everyone, welcome back to Monique's House of Creations, and today I'll be bringing you some mirrored wall art. It's actually a set of mirrors that I'm doing, so this is like a two-piece mirror set, and right here I have mirror tiles from eFavorMart. These are backsplashes actually that can go on in the bathroom, in the back of your sink or the stove or whatever. So right now I'm just separating them, taking the back pieces, taking that back sticky part off. And right here you see I'm applying 3 to a large craft stick. So I'm going to have 3 on 3 each on a large craft stick, and it'll be 8 pieces, and I'm using the Octagon shaped mirror from the Dollar Tree. So the mirrors are from eFavorMart and the centerpiece is from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just using E6000 for this project, and I'll be gluing those mirrors to the back of the octagon shaped mirror. So that's basically what I'm doing right here, just measuring everything up, because there are going to be other steps after I stick those pieces onto the back. So I will need space. So I have to account for the space on the back. So I just can't stick those those glue sticks, the craft sticks onto the back. So I will have to cut those craft sticks down before applying them to the back of that mirror. So I have all my mirrors set up, and please excuse the messy mirror. So I actually was wiping down the mirrors every so often until I just got sick of doing that, and I will definitely show the end results and the mirrors clean and everything. So as I said before, right here I'm just accounting space for in between each craft stick. So right now, right here, I'm just drawing out the back of the cardboard, and I need 2 pieces. So I actually cut out 2 pieces for that. And right here, I'm just gluing down the first 4 pieces to the set, because I just couldn't lay it down. It wasn't allowing me to just lay it down and it set like that. So I had to definitely apply pressure to each piece of those craft sticks. And you'll see later on in the video, I clamps that I purchased from Walmart in the hardware section. I believe I found those near where the drills and the hardware is in Walmart. Those clamps are really good. So I had used those, and I actually let that sit overnight so I can make sure that it was cured. I didn't want to wait a couple of hours and then manipulate it and then have one of the pieces fall off, because those tiled mirrors have weight. They have weight to them. So with me putting the next 4 pieces on shows that it has weight. So I basically do the same thing that I did the first step with the 8, making sure I have them spaced and making sure that clamp is keeping it center, because right here the glue is still, I just put the glue on. So now I'm just have to find a positioning with the clamp and making sure that that clamp is positioned and that mirror is centered. It got harder once I added the 4 pieces, the first 4 pieces on, So the positioning got harder with the second 4 pieces because I had to accommodate the space for that. So it just was tougher to find a position to stick the clamp on when it was wet. So I had to attempt several times. And these pieces right here are from Amazon. I got them, I did drop a link for those pieces in the description box. And this idea right here, I actually got from Yo W Essentials. She used these pieces in one of her videos, and I had ordered these a while back. I believe I had these pieces for maybe a year or so now. So I did drop a link for these pieces in the description box. And this is basically one of the last steps before I put the cardboard on the back. So right now I'm just finding the position. I'm just making sure each one of these pieces, metal pieces, are coming out from each corner of this mirror. So again, I'll be using 8 pieces for this, also going completely around the mirror. And I will be adding, I have rhinestones, which I definitely will put in the description box below also, that I dropped in each one of those. So that's what I'm doing right here, is doing a hot glue and E6000, not mixing them. I'm putting on one spot. They don't work well together. So I definitely had to do different positions. So one is E6000, and the hot glue is just helping it stay in position while the E6000 sets up. And once that dries, I do go back around. I'm just right here just doing a demonstration of what I'm doing next, which is with the cardboard, the 2 pieces. So yeah, that's basically the next step to me hanging it up, is the back of the cardboard. Just definitely have to make sure that is glued. And I'm just using the tacky to stick the cardboard together. So that's what that's for right there. And I did make 2 pieces. So the videos that you saw in here are, some are mixed, some are from the first piece that I did. I started recording because I knew I was going to put it on YouTube. So I just started doing some pieces from the first set I did. So there was just basically a lot of trial and error in the first piece to the second piece. You'll see both pieces toward the end, and I'm definitely going to show you where I corrected some of the errors that I made in the first piece and I did with the second piece. So they both definitely look the same. It's just basically I took different steps when applying the cardboard piece. That's basically what's different from the first piece to the second piece that I did in these videos. So this one right here is, I believe it's the I could tell, I believe that could be the first one. I'm not sure. The difference is that when I traced out the cardboard, what I didn't do with the first piece, I did with the second piece, was the cardboard that you see right there. I actually cut it down some more. So this is the first piece that I did. I cut it down some more. So from the front, the cardboard wouldn't be visible. So this is the first piece. So when I turned that piece over, I should have cut the cardboard down to size, which was, once I traced it out, I should have went within the lines and cut in the lines, within the lines, to make it smaller, so when I put the piece on the back and when it's facing me, that you won't see the cardboard from the front, and you'll see what I mean when I show you both pieces. So yes, this is the first piece, and I ended up doing some small mosaic tiles to frame it, because being that I did it that way, I knew it would show. So that's why I'm just basically covering it up. And right here, I'm showing you that that's the second piece, and I'm going to show you the first piece.
I just wanted to just do a quick.
And right now, my apartment is still empty. I've been in my apartment for a month now, and it's still empty. And you can see right there where the pieces are showing. And the reason why I'm doing a demo and they're not hung up is because right now, again, my apartment is empty. I have no furniture in my apartment. So I'm just basically waiting for a place to put these. And I thank you guys for the support of my channel. I'm loving the love that I am receiving. I do appreciate it, and I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.
See if I can cut it
guys
down
thanks so much.
Without tampering with
I will definitely be back
the mirrors
with more videos. You guys stay safe and healthy.
Yeah guys, thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.